So this is what I get currently. So many guys and girls trying to reach out to me via LinkedIn and many other channels. Basically, they all want to find ways to update their profile, acquire leads, acquire sales via LinkedIn or via Facebook, which pretty much falls into the category of my training. And this is something I just want to touch on briefly, which I'll be doing quite a few of these types of small, short training methodologies, which just focuses briefly on what you should be doing and how you should be doing it, in my opinion. That has currently helped me gain quite a few followers, quite a few training, quite a few clients, quite a few leads, quite a few sales as well along the way. So I learned quite a bit from many other gurus out there in the market as well, and I tune into many people based in the UK, US, Australia, all over the world, and I fine tune my skill and I provide similar types of training methodologies to many people out there. The main focus is to drive leads and sales for small business owners and to educate the employees how to find decision makers on LinkedIn, how to acquire leads, and how to convert them into sales. So many, many, many things that one can talk about on LinkedIn. But first and foremost, I want to touch on the first thing that pops up from a LinkedIn personality, and that is basically the picture. So the picture has to be kind of A-frame. You got to smile. You got to show some love. You got to show them how to do it basically from a nice white background. And you can see on my particular profile picture over here, which you can turn, you can reposition, and you can just save the photo when you're done. Many people take this for granted. They put random pictures in here. They put their whole head in here. They take dodge pictures with their phone. Try to take it with a professional photographer if you can. If you can't, we all got, or most people have fantastic cameras these days on their mobile devices. So try it from that angle. Tell somebody else to take a picture of you in a relevant white background. As you can see, a shirt, if you're female, nice dress, blouse, suit, whatever makes you look quite cool and professional, and upload your particular picture. I always say it's similar to you're trying to acquire leads and you're trying to acquire sales. So when I try and focus on something that can actually get results, it's like meeting somebody for the first time that you are interested in. You got to show up right. You got to show up professional. You got to show up neat, cool, and calm. And if somebody sees a cool and decent picture, most likely they are willing to interact with you or to show some kind of positive response. So focus on your picture, the profile picture. It's a small thing that's quite insignificant really to the eye, but in reality, it's quite powerful and quite big. And you'll see many, many other people focus and talk about the profile picture as well. So go out of your way to do something cool about it. Secondly, I want to touch on is the background picture. Now, this background picture is quite cool, light. As you can see, it's a picture of the sea and trees and white sand, etc. It's a place we have been to quite recently. Again, this just focus on my type of lifestyle, which is outdoors, clear, it's calm, and it fits in quite nicely with my profile picture. Other people don't have a background picture. There's nothing wrong with not having a background picture, but this capability exists on LinkedIn. So if something like this exists on LinkedIn, then find a way to fine tune it, use it to your actual advantage. Use it, add a picture from your profession, picture of your office, or something that fine tunes into your particular lifestyle as well. But the trick here is to find something that's clear, not a dark picture that reflects negative or bad light. Again, it's quite easy to change. You just click on here, you edit it, and then it pops up and you choose your relevant picture. And that's where you can change it. So, and you click apply or change the photo, whatever you want to do over there. So these are just quite quick, simple nuggets to focus on LinkedIn. Again, it's quite insignificant, but in reality, it's quite significant from a showing up point of view. Because the objective of this is that you actually want to reach out to decision makers here. You want to reach out to a person that's going to be a potential lead, and somewhere down the funnel, you want to convert this particular person. So again, when you reach out, say, hey, how you doing? Let's connect. Hey, I saw you at an event. Let's connect. Or anything of that nature, they're going to check out your profile. And this above the fold is going to be the first thing that they actually see. Also, most people access LinkedIn these days via their mobile device. And when they check this on a particular person, they're going to see this. Now, if they like the profile picture, if they like the background picture, I guarantee you, most likely they're going to take this conversation further. I'm not going to go into detail now with the headline and summary, all those other cool things. I just want to land this message of a profile picture and a background picture, as that is the first thing that one sees before they actually start scrolling down and reading your actual description. So I'm going to end it there. Drop me a line if there's any feedback, any problems, any issues. I'm here to assist, I'm here to guide. And this is focusing on my LinkedIn and Facebook training that I'm conducting workshops for in SA. So check out my details and let's stay in touch. See you guys. Bye bye.